How to activate Messenger chat heads. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you activate your Messenger chat heads on your device. So it's a very simple and an easy procedure. First of all, go to your phone settings and scroll down and click on notifications. Enable the show content option or show preview option, and also do not forget to disable do not disturb option. Again, go back to settings and go to apps, then scroll down and look for Messenger app, and then click on its notifications and simply enable and allow it. After you do this, go to your storage and you can also clear your data or cache. By following the simple steps, you can activate your Messenger chat heads on your device. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials. Thank you. See you in the next video.